Here we are, guys, trying another food over here. I'm waiting for the pork. I'm gonna do some pork barbecue. We're gonna eat by our hands. No fork and knives here, no utensils here. And let's go try it out. Just waiting for the pork. I'm starving. It's almost 3 p.m. here. Very simple restaurant beside the road. Let's try the food here. It just arrived. Look at this. What is that?
Hello, eggplant with
Eggplant, eggplant. Okay, me, I'm gonna eat this pork here. Like this. Here it's by hand, guys. Ooh, it's hot.
I asked the sauce of this.
Very good.
Yes, it is.
Very good, the pork here.
Like this, alamang.
I don't know what it is. The soy sauce, right? Soy sauce? They eat everything with soy sauce here, guys. Let's try it out. Very good. Very good. We eat by hands here, guys. The pork is amazing.
Make the taste. Yes. It's yummy.
And the usual food in the Philippines, guys, rice. But I don't have the experience like they have to eat by hand. Look at her. Look at Dory here. They have experience.
Live in our group?
No life, no life. That's right. Let's try the eggplant, guys. Oh, it's hot. Uy. I wait a little bit. The pork I like, guys. The pork, look. The soy sauce with some lemon. Amazing, amazing.
Ang tubig natin. Ayun lang.
How you? This is what?
Ay, ako ng ice. It's like a shrimp paste.
Shrimp paste?
Try.
And you?
You can put it here. Try. It's little. Because
Little
it's
bit.
little salty.
Shrimp paste. I put it a little bit here. By hand.
Like bagoong. Here, bagoong.
Let's try it, guys.
Lagyan niya ako ng ice. Nalagay ko yung tubig.
It's okay.
It's nice also in the ano.
It's okay. It's okay.
Ano matamis? Sweet? It's sweet?
Yeah. Me, I'm impressed with the pork. The pork is amazing.
Thank you. Delicious.
Me, to be honest with you, I like street food.
I want again another.
You want another? Rice. She wants rice. My God, the pork is incredible. Okay, guys, I will be back when we finish. Okay, guys, just finished.
I'm
All the
not
pork.
finished.
But she's not finished yet.
I'm not finished yet.
She's still going over there. We finished, or me, I finished already. It was like 3 shish kebabs, pork shish kebabs, right? Pork barbecue. We call it shish kebab in Canada. I don't know. In other countries, here the pork stick. You guys call it here? Pork stick barbecue. They call it here. We got. I got a piece of pig belly here on the barbecue, like you guys saw there before. One juice, waters, whatever. More here. Not even 500 pesos. That's five, around $8, $9 Canadian, I think. No, around $10 Canadian.
How much you pay?
480.
Oh, it's $9.
No, 410. 410. It's like
It's
four,
about $9.
$8. No, $10 Canadian, $10 Canadian. $10 for 3 people is not bad, guys. With the pineapple juice, I didn't want anything to eat, only one water to drink, I mean. And we had some eggplant, rice, everything. It was good. It was good. It was a good meal. For the price is worth it. Here in Antipolo. Tamayan restaurant in Antipolo. Just beside of the road, like you guys see. The guys are doing the barbecue just there behind. It's humid, but they turn on the fans here. It helps a little bit. Make sure that you always bring a rag with you guys. I have one, but I stole it to a friend. Look, I have one to clean the sweat. And I'm enjoying it, guys. The food, very good quality food. You see what they put me through? Now we're going on the van. An hour and a half to Makati. Crazy people. I only meet crazy people in the Philippines. They put me in every adventure. They take me to good restaurants, but they always put me in a crazy adventure. Let's go one time now.